have no time at all. Does this sound familiar? Is this you? Are you feeling stressed about time? Well, then join us on Tuesday, April 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern for our free webinar, Effective Time Management, Take the Stress Out. Hit the link below to register, and you'll learn how to be able to increase your effectiveness, prioritize, and set clear goals, even when the pressures are high and time seems tight. Because being in that constant reactive state means that there's that feeling of loss of control, and you get further away from your goals. So join us on Tuesday, April 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern for Effective Time Management, Take the Stress Out. And if you would like more free resources on webinars, podcasts, blogs, then head on over to greatcanadiantraining.ca. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, April 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern for Effective Time Management, Take the Stress Out. Hit the link below to register. We'll see you there.